There's no limit to what you can build with LLMs. You can train models from scratch, fine-tune existing open source models, or use paid APIs. One trend we are seeing lately is software companies are launching their own version of LLMs within their product, popularly called as Copilot. Microsoft is doing this with their Office suite, GitHub has a Copilot, Shopify has a Sidekick. But building an AI Copilot costs money as well as time. For start, using third-party API has its own set of problems. You'll have to purchase expensive dedicated instances, you'll be limited by the number of token windows, you will have to deal with slower response times. Finally, since these APIs are not specifically trained on your own data, your results might be just less accurate. What about building your own AI infra, you say? That's even more harder. You need experts to train and maintain your models. You need to build a vector index and storage infra. You need to optimize LLM interactions for speed, relevance, and scale. Finally, you will also need an AI team costing more than $500,000. Now, what if I say all you needed was one service, one engineer, and a set of use cases? Meet OSlash Copilot. OSlash Copilot enables AI capabilities directly into your product with just a few lines of code. To showcase Copilot in action, we have connected JIRA to OSlash, which smartly converts user intent into workflows via APIs. As a result, users get to chat with the product in real time, get detailed instruction on how to perform a task, execute multi-step actions with just one command. Now, how is this helpful? Having a Copilot will make all your users into power users. They can now just talk to your software. As a product owner, you get to decide which workflow to enable, and we will make it live in few minutes. All of this will lead to faster adoption, lower churn, and reduce stress on your customer success teams. Now, our Copilot adapts to your product interface to give you the best user experience. The technology may be ours, but the Copilot will be truly yours. Get in touch with me or directly sign up at oslash.com for a quick demo.